Superior vena cava. Branches right here, splits into a Y here. Those are the brachiocephalic veins. Technically right here, before it splits, goes or outside the body wall, that's subclavian veins. That's really short. Out here, this is axillary vein, and then here in the arm, that's brachial vein.
Hope so.
This one here in the neck is the external jugular vein. There should be one that runs right along the artery here, which is the internal jugular vein. You might see that there's a node right there. It used to be there. Okay. Now, for the arteries. Oh no. I thought this was done already. And this little thing right here. Is your aortic arch. Do you see it? Arches down the thoracic cavity all the way to the diaphragm.
Where was it again, Mr.
Oh, this is partially why you guys are having trouble. That's thymus, so you don't need that. Okay, so here's your aortic arch right here. Okay, so first branch off the aortic arch right here, brachiocephalic trunk. Second branch off the aorta right here is the left subclavian. Notice that you can trace this one all the way to the body wall and to the arm.
Just make sure I get flight. Sorry, Christian. Let me know if I block it.
Your brachiocephalic trunk under here is going to split, okay, into the left common carotid artery right there. And then it will split again right here. See that? Into the right common carotid artery and the right subclavian artery. And the right subclavian artery goes through the body, or through the rib cage, it becomes the axillary artery, and then in the arm here, it's the brachial artery. Okay. Common carotid arteries are these ones in the neck. Now, thoracic aorta goes down to the diaphragm, goes through the diaphragm. Okay, when it comes out the other side, okay, it's abdominal aorta. Okay. Now, the first two branches off the abdominal aorta, you guys can see on yours, makes a V. Okay, one side of the V goes to the liver, stomach, and spleen. That's the celiac trunk. The other branch goes to the intestines over here. This is the superior mesenteric artery. Okay, then after that, the next branch off the abdominal aorta is the renal artery. Okay, this one's the left renal artery. Okay, next branch are the gonadals, which you can't see. Then after that, you have the inferior mesenteric artery that goes through the large intestine area. Now I have to pull this out of the way so that we can see inside the pelvis here. Okay, so notice this is the inferior vena cava, this is the abdominal aorta. The abdominal aorta splits into the external iliac artery and way down in here, the internal iliac artery. Okay, the external iliac artery passes through the body wall and becomes a femoral artery in the leg. As for the inferior vena cava, if you guys can see when I pull it like this, okay, when it branches, this is the common iliac vein, and then the common iliac vein splits. You see that in there? Okay, into the external iliac vein and the internal iliac vein. External iliac vein, when you go through the body wall, is the femoral vein. Okay, then just the last thing
What's that yellow one?
is the hepatic portal vein. So it's been filled with yellow latex, but it's coming from the digestive organs, the spleen and pancreas. Okay, and going into the liver, it's dumping its blood into the liver. Alrighty.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.